Veemo SE. The Veemo SE combines the best features of a bicycle and a car in a semi-enclosed, three-wheeled pedal-electric vehicle. The electric assistance comes from an Envo powertrain system motor, and the vehicle shifts gears automatically thanks to a moving rear hub. In North America, the maximum speed of a Veemo SE is 20 miles per hour, while in Europe and the United Kingdom, it drops to 16 miles per hour. Charging it from a regular wall socket takes only 5 hours, and it can go up to 70 kilometers on a single charge. There is 60 liters of storage space on the Veemo SE, and the e-pod enclosure shields the rider from the elements. An electronic parking brake, alarm, and vehicle tracking are all part of its built-in security features. For city dwellers who value convenience, zero-emission transportation, and good times, the Veemo SE is the way to go. You may pre-order the Veemo SE with a $250 deposit. The base model starts at $7,999 or $6,199. HAMYAK ATV. Russian engineer Eduard Luzianin created the HAMYAK ATV, an off-road vehicle with one track. The vehicle's little stature and exceptional maneuverability are reminiscent of the rodent hamster, which is the Russian translation of the name HAMYAK. The HAMYAK ATV's 150cc engine allows it to go as fast as 27 miles per hour, though for safety reasons, it's best to stick to speeds of about 12 miles per hour. Because there is no steering on this vehicle, the rider must use their body weight or the pressure of their foot to make turns. Rollers that absorb impact make up the track, which is constructed from components of snowmobiles. You can squeeze the 187-pound HAMYAK ATV into the trunk of any vehicle. On softer terrains, like as sand or snow, it excels for off-road activities. One source puts the price of the HAMYAK ATV at about $3,800, but that might change based on supply and demand. Russian engineering and creativity are on full display in the HAMYAK ATV. SCARABEE ARQUUS. For missions involving reconnaissance or special forces, the SCARABEE ARQUUS is an ideal light armored vehicle. In an effort to lessen its thermal and audible footprint, this hybrid assault vehicle may now operate entirely on electricity. Its 4x4 setup and independent rear wheels make it capable of crab-like maneuvers and tight U-turns. Additionally, it is capable of adjusting its ground clearance to suit various transportation modes and terrains. It has a Hornet RCWS that can accommodate either a 30mm cannon or a 12.7mm machine gun. Depending on the model, it can be transported by helicopter or C-130 aircraft with a crew of 3 or 4. There are 3 variants of the SCARABEE ARQUUS: Security, Reconnaissance, and Patrol SAS. Since it combines ARQUUS's most cutting-edge technology, the SCARABEE ARQUUS is likely to cost several $1 million, while the exact amount is still unknown. Sunswift 7. Australian University of New South Wales students created and built Sunswift 7, a solar-powered automobile. It is the 8th Sunswift car, which has advanced solar vehicle technology since 1996. By averaging over 120 kilometers per hour, Sunswift 7 hopes to set the Guinness World Record for the quickest solar electric car over 1,000 kilometers. The car's carbon fiber frame and top and side-mounted solar array make it aerodynamic. The automobile has a battery pack, motor controller, and electric motor that transforms solar energy into mechanical power. The fast and efficient Sunswift 7 uses 3.8 kilowatt-hour per 100 kilometers compared to 20 kilowatt-hour per 100 kilometers for the usual electric car. Sunswift 7 is not meant to be a future production car because it is uncomfortable and expensive. One source says the car cost over $1 million to design and build. FLJ D5. An electric scooter featuring a 12-inch fat tire, a steering damper, and a detachable battery, the FLJ D5 is powerful. With its 43 miles per hour top speed and 5,000 watts twin motor, it is quite fast. Depending on the rider's weight and road conditions, it has a maximum range of 120 kilometers on a single charge. A computerized monitor LED lights, and hydraulic front and rear brakes are also included. Both the FLJ D5 and its tires are collapsible and easy to change. No matter the terrain, you may ride it on or off-road. How much you pay for a FLJ D5 depends on where you live and which vendor you buy from. The FLJ D5, according to one retailer, retails for $1,499 in several regions. This pricing, however, might not be reflective of what the scooter really costs where you live, or how it changes over time. Additional alternatives and prices can be found by checking with other online stores or local dealers. OUSTER Trombia. Attached to a wheel loader, the OUSTER Trombia is a high-performance sweeper attachment that can be put to the apparatus. High-velocity removal of fine dust particles, PM2.5, from the pavement is accomplished by the utilization of a unique air knife cyclone cleaning method. The process of sweeping is also automated and monitored by a touchscreen interface that is included in this device. There are many different uses that are ideal for OUSTER Trombia, including municipal, racetracks, harbors, airports, industrial facilities, recycling, silica dust, pavement contracting, and military locations. The official website of OUSTER Trombia states that the price of the vehicle can range anywhere from $49,900 to $59,900, depending on the type and the equipment that are included. OUSTER Trombia is a new solution that improves the effectiveness of dust control and sweeping solutions. Carver One. An automobile and a motorbike are both components of the Carver One, which is a three-wheeled vehicle that combines the characteristics of both. It is equipped with a gasoline engine that produces 68 horsepower, a soft-top cabrio roof, and 2 seats. It is possible to tilt the Carver One up to 45 degrees when cornering, which gives the impression that you are flying. Between the years 2003 and 2007, Carver manufactured the Carver One, although the company only produced approximately 200 pieces of the product. The price of the Carver One was €46,846, which is about similar to $53,000 in American currency. The Carver One was discontinued because of financial troubles. However, in 2018, a new electric version of the Carver was introduced with a starting price of $9,600. The initial price of the Carver One was $9,600. Kingsong S20 Eagle. Stylish, comfortable, and very capable, the Kingsong S20 Eagle electric unicycle is the pinnacle of off-road luxury. With its enormous 1,776 watt-hour battery and strong 3,300 watt engine, it can travel up to 200 kilometers on a single charge and reach speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. Along with a 130mm travel suspension system, adjustable rebound and damping, and a 20-street or knobby tire option, it also comes with other features. Sleek and futuristic, the S20 Eagle features a screen, integrated power pads, a kickstand, and a choice of red or gold color schemes. The headlights, brake lights, and turn signals are all adjustable, and the front and back lights are brilliant and clever. One of the most cutting-edge and adaptable electric unicycles available, the S20 Eagle can handle any surface and rider with ease. Depending on where you live and whose store you buy it from, the S20 Eagle can cost anywhere from $3,200 to £2,395. Works Electric Hollyburn P5. Whether you're in the city or out on the trail, the Works Electric Hollyburn P5 electric scooter can take it all. It can go up to 56 kilometers per hour and has a range of 45 kilometers on a single charge thanks to its powerful 4,400 watt engine. It has a sturdy frame made of aircraft-grade aluminum, disc brakes, pneumatic tires, a suspension with 2 springs, and lights that are LEDs. Made entirely by hand in Portland, Oregon, the Hollyburn P5 has a dustproof and weatherproof rating. The highest load it can support is 125 kilograms, and it weighs 38 kilograms. However, the Hollyburn P5 does not come cheap, priced at $6,495. This electric scooter is among the most powerful and dependable options available, but it also happens to be one of the most expensive. The Hollyburn P5 is a great electric scooter to consider if you're seeking a combination of performance and excitement. Chevrolet Silverado Off-Road Concept. The Chevrolet Silverado Off-Road Concept shows off-road capabilities of the Silverado ZR2, a new model coming in early 2023. The concept car has a 6.2-litre V8 engine, 4-inch lift, 33-inch tires, and a Gen 3 Camaro supercar-inspired black and gold paint job. GM employees in Australia and New Zealand designed the concept car, which racing legend Craig Lowndes will test and develop. The most off-road ready Silverado 1500 is the ZR2, with a 420 HP V8 engine, Multimatic spool valve dampers, and electronic locking front and rear differentials. The front grille, steel bumper, and red tow hooks are noteworthy. The Silverado ZR2 can tow 8,900 pounds and carry 1,440 pounds. Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato. An off-road vehicle with the performance of a supercar meets the practicality of a concept car in the Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato. The Huracan Evo serves as its foundation. Nonetheless, it boasts a more robust suspension, a broader track, and additional safety features. Packed with 560 nanometers of torque and 610 horsepower, it boasts a 5.2-litre V10 engine. Lamborghini integrated vehicle dynamics, which can adjust to various driving styles and terrains, is also a part of it. Inside, you'll find aluminum floor mats, carbon fiber seats, and titanium roll bars. The prominent rear hood air intake and LED light bars up front and on top pay homage to the 1970s Lamborghini Jarama and Huracan models. There were just 1,499 Huracan Sterratos manufactured for the entire world. Ghe-O Rescue. The Ghe-O Rescue is a vehicle that is both powerful and adaptable, and it is capable of navigating any terrain and handling any weather condition. It is equipped with a variety of equipment that can be used for a variety of tasks, including firefighting, medical support, and water crossing, and it can transport up to 11 people. The Rescue is able to be outfitted with either gasoline or diesel engines, and it is equipped with a heavy-duty gearbox that includes axles that can be locked. The gasoline engines have a power range of 340 to 500 horsepower, while the diesel engines have a power range of 218 to 304 horsepower. The engines may be equipped with additional electromagnetic and water protection for use in military applications. When it comes to transportation and rescue operations in difficult environments, the Rescue is intended to be a solution that is both dependable and effective. Local Motors Rally Fighter. A line of off-road racers called the Local Motors Rally Fighter was developed in microfactories around the United States and assembled utilizing open-source development. Sang-Ho Kim, an enthusiast and member of the Local Motors community, was the one who came up with the idea. A 6.2-litre LS3 engine developed by GM E-Rod and coupled with a 4-speed automatic transmission generates 430 horsepower, powering the Rally Fighter. The vehicle is not painted, but rather has a vinyl covering. It also includes king coilover shock absorbers with a travel range of 18 to 20 inches. Prior to the company's shift to autonomous vehicle technologies, the Rally Fighter was manufactured from 2010 to 2017, with around 100 units created. Rally Fighters often sell for about $73,000, though this number can range widely based on factors including the car's condition and level of modification. Toxozers 7.0. A self-balancing electric scooter unicycle motorcycle, the Toxozers 7.0 has one wheel and can go over 20 miles per hour. Weighing in at a manageable 102 pounds, it is incredibly portable and can be easily stored in most car trunks or racks. Sleek and powered by an advanced engine, it offers a thrilling and exciting new way to travel around urban areas and rural areas. With its straightforward and easy-to-understand controls, the Toxozers 7.0 is among the most beginner-friendly one-wheel scooters. Toxozers 7.0 can cost anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000 in China, though this might vary greatly based on the vendor and region. Nevertheless, it is wise to look into numerous choices before making a purchase, as certain online platforms can have sales or discounts. Because it combines speed, stability, and style, the Toxozers 7.0 is an excellent option for those seeking a novel and interesting mode of transportation. Bush plane. Bush planes are a specific kind of airplane that can fly over rugged landscapes including forests, mountains, deserts, or even ice. They are ideal for flying over distant places with difficult air conditions. Short takeoff and landing distances, high wings, big tires, skis, or floats are common characteristics of bush planes. There are many different uses for bush planes, including tourism, medical evacuation, search and rescue, firefighting, and passenger and cargo transportation. Several factors determine a bush plane's price, including the model, condition, age, and modifications. Bush planes that are fully operational might cost anywhere from $20,000 to $40,000, according to some online sites. You should be prepared to spend $5,000 to $10,000 or more to convert an existing plane into a bush plane.